can we get curbside Ruth's Chris Steakhouse?
Sure, why not? This exit.
Dad, can we get a 4-piece chicken nibbler from Crystal?
What'd you say? Don't ever say that again.
Do not make me pull over and make this driver's side seat become a turnbuckle.
Talk to me about fucking Crystal bullshit. That's kind of like, I saw that.
It's the summer for stir fry. Dad, when you make something made with rice, it just fills me up. And 2 hours later, I'm hungry again. Shut your mouth!
Oh, wait. I got a fortune for you. I will light your ass up like a bad fireworks stand. You got another thing coming, woman. I don't even need to hear the song. You got another thing coming. Exit gone, exit gone, exit gone. No, I'm not stopping. I'm not pulling over for jack shit. AC's not running too well, is it? I know, we're not getting it fixed. We're not getting this. We're not getting it fixed, then. We're not doing it. Roll the windows down. Breathe the air. We're not doing it. Nope. Somebody farted? Well, okay. Wafts it out. That's how we roll. Four-piece Crystal? You know, you're talking Ritzville here. This is not the Ritz-Carlton. Hey, you chirper in the back seat. You know, once gasoline hits $10,000 a gallon, I'd still pay to soak you and turn you on fire. I'll firework your ass.